What is up, riders? Today we are riding this 2023 Vespa HPE SuperTech.
Alright, there she is. Got the Vespa key right here. This is a keyless system, so all we need to do is push the auxiliary switch, turn the Vespa on, does its little startup sequence. Digital gauge, we can just put the key in our pocket. We've also got a USB port, which is quite nice. Right, so like I said in the intro, this is the Vespa GTS 300, but this is the flagship model. This is the HPE, the high performance engine in this model, and this is the SuperTech. The way you know that is by putting the T in front of the 300 over there, so you know you'll get a GTS Super Sport. Now you get the SuperTech. This has an Arrow exhaust on it, so this obviously doesn't come factory, but sounds quite good. So let's ignition on. Quite a nice display. We can use this toggle over here to change between things. I've been riding it and it's been zeroed, and I get around about 21 kilometers per liter. Not that great when I ride, but we'll see now when I ride. The voltage, average kilometers per hour. This is the maximum I've gotten on this scooter, 140 kilometers per hour. Got your time. This is your first trip, your total. So this scooter has 771 kilometers on it. It's a brand new demo model from Vespa. Thanks again to Vespa Cape Town, especially Vespa Homer Street. They've lent me their demo to do this awesome video. So check them out in the socials down below. We've also got traction control. You can see there when I ride it'll be on. If I hold this button and it stays on, that means it's off. Yep, so let's... Alright, we're going to head to the fuel station quickly, put in some petrol, and go for a nice ride. Sounds good with this pipe, but no baffle. Sounds like a little single cylinder MX bike. When we're in the shade it's in dark mode, and when we're going to the light you'll see it will turn into a light mode. See my phone's connected there, I'll talk about that on the way. Nice. Turn into light mode. Alright, what we're going to do now is I want to head onto the highway. I want to see how this handles in the corners, and I want to see what sort of speeds we can get with this flagship Vespa that they have produced. This is the most powerful Vespa that they've produced so far from the factory. The HPE motor pushes out around about 24 horsepower. May not seem like a lot, but in a scooter from a 300, that's pretty damn good. Alright, so let's head onto the highway and see what this scooter can do. There it is. And there she is. What an awesome Vespa. I've always loved the Vespa 300. They handle so well, despite their weight. Very awesome, solid scooter. One of my favorites. I do wish we can add one to our fleet one day. Maybe not an HPE SuperTech, but with this pipe, it just makes you want to ride really, really fast. Like a little bit of a hooligan. But I'm super happy with this. Thank you again to Vespa South Africa, Vespa Cape Town, and to Desmond for lending me a awesome 2023 Vespa HPE SuperTech. But let's have a closer look at this awesome scooter. So let's talk about this Vespa GTS 300 HPE SuperTech. Why don't we start with the HPE? What does HPE stand for? So it stands for High Performance Engine. This engine model is one of the most powerful Vespa engines that have been produced by the factory to date. It's got around about 24 horsepower stock from the factory, which is way more than a standard GTS 300. Now we get to the SuperTech. This scooter has a lot of technology compared to the standard Super or the GT. Some of the tech, it comes with a 4.2-inch display as opposed to the analog clocks and the digital clocks that come in other Vespa models. It also has Bluetooth connectivity, a mobile app that has turn-by-turn navigation, seamless Bluetooth connectivity to headphones where you can control your music and take phone calls, which is quite fun. I've had the privilege of being able to experience that. Some other features, it comes with Nissan front brakes, these awesome little valve caps, and an Arrow exhaust. This Arrow exhaust is obviously aftermarket and does not come with this Vespa. Another one of the features that come with this specific model and on no other models in the Vespa range is it has an under-seat light. That is brand new to these models. I hope they keep it going. This just helps you see your stuff at night. I mean, I've always struggled with that. You have to use your torch. It illuminates this box so nicely. It's quite a great design. It actually is hardwired into there. So now you can see the engine bay. Alright guys, that is going to be the end of this video. If you are enjoying this content and if you did enjoy me riding this Vespa GTS 300 HPE SuperTech, let me know in the comments down below. Remember to like and subscribe. We're almost at our goal of 1,000 subscribers, so thank you very much for that. But we'll check you next time. Peace.